Outside of ArcGIS Online, because I'm doing seismic data, one source is the USGS. And I'm going to pop over to my slides. But if you go to the USGS, there's an you can go through and search for earthquake data. And you can set the parameters. You can say, you know, magnitude, or you can set a custom. Remember, I was looking at 5.7 and higher. I can set a custom date range. I can set the geographic region. I can even draw a specific rectangle. But what I can do is then have it be output as a comma separated value file, a CSV. And I already did that. But I've downloaded it, so I can add it to my map. What I did is I downloaded it, so I'm just coming over. This is just my computer, my PC. This is one of my files. And here's the download. And the really cool, really exciting thing is, check this out. You just drag it, and it automatically will add to the map and ask, how do I want to display it? So I want to do it by magnitude. And it's really ugly right now, I know, because the other one is on. But I'm going to do it by counts and amounts so that it shows by magnitude as well. And I'm going to say I'm done. And now, let me turn the other ones off. This is the data that I just got.
We didn't see it drag and drop, but
what? Oh, I went too fast?
No, it didn't show. It didn't display as a drag and drop, but that's okay. You can also use the add. Correct me if I'm wrong, Lori.
You can go, yes, you can say add. And then you are going to add a layer from file.
Okay.
Which I think this is where most people are going to go, and wherever you downloaded it on your computer.
Yeah, and then I just go to, this is where it is on my computer under downloads. And I say open. And I say import layer, and it automatically is going to ask me, you know, which attribute do you want to show? And I want to show magnitude. And it knows that it, you know, maybe I might want to do counts and amounts again. And so I say yes, and I can set some parameters there, but I'm not going to. But there it is. It's on my map. And again, it comes with the actual table of data so that I can see the information that is behind the data. It's very simple. The hardest thing is finding where to find the data. We also have, AGIC has the AZGeo. There's the AZGeo. You can do the same thing where you go out and you get the data. One thing you need to know about in ArcGIS Online is that it's limited to 1,000 points. So you, if you go over 1,000 points, you have to have multiple spreadsheets that you're going to add. It is limited.
So Lori, just remind me, is it the case that you do need to, like, if you have data downloaded that comes downloaded from wherever as an Excel spreadsheet, you would need to save it as a CSV? Is that correct?
Yeah. It tells you when you, let me double check, but it tells you it needs to be a shape file.
Right.
So if you're somewhere like on AZGeo, where you can download a whole shape file, which is this kind of data. It's like 7 different files that make up a map for ArcGIS. That's a shape file. It needs to be zipped. You can do a CSV or text, GPX from a GPS, or GeoJSON. I don't even know. I've never done GeoJSON.
But basically, the CSV is the sort of default for an Excel spreadsheet. You just save it out as a CSV, and then that's how you add it.